Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very brief one due to the messages I got from some of my subscribers on how I use my essential oils. Yes, many of you who watch my video know I have a lot of DIY oils on my channel, and some people are wondering, how do I use all this oil? Do I cook with them? What do I do with them? Yeah, I don't cook with them, no, but some of them, like the carrot oil, avocado oil, I use for my hair. At the moment I have no carrot oil left because I use that a lot. So as for the other ones, especially for the lemon oil and the sweet orange oil, yes, that I use strictly for my skin. Yes, I do have dry skin, and you know, most of us who have dry skin, oil is actually essential for the skin. It doesn't have to be serum or toning oil or whatever. You can use your organic DIY oil. So that is what I use for my lotion at the moment, lemon oil. I actually use lemon oil for my lotion at the moment. You can use sweet orange oil too. You can use almond oil, whichever one you want, but you know, lemon tends to brighten the skin and give you a clear glowing skin. So I use that at the moment. And how do I use this oil? I don't use much of it, because in case I don't like the effect of the mixture, I can discontinue it. So I just take a bit of my lotion and mix with a bit of lemon oil. So let's watch how I mix my lemon oil with my lotion. And by the way, yeah, I'm using that same Nivea lotion I did a review on. I'll be coming back for the update soonest. This other one is my orange oil, not using it for now. So darlings, that is it. This is the mixture. Just a little of it, and I mixed it with my Nivea cream, which I will be giving an update on soon. I hope you find this video helpful, and please, if you do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.